Integration of exponential functions. Let's have some flashback. The first derivative of e to the power of x equals e to the power of x. And the first derivative of e to the power of ax plus b equals 1 over a times e to the power of ax plus b plus c. A is not 0. Now, using the indefinite integral definition, we obtain that the integral of e to the power of x dx equals e to the power of x plus c. And the integral of e to the power of ax plus b dx equals 1 over a times e to the power of ax plus b plus c, where a is not 0. Let's see some examples. Try 15. Find the following integrals. Part A, integral of 9 e to the power of 3x plus 2 dx. Part B, integral of e to the power of negative 5 over 3x dx. Part A, rewrite the integral. So from here, we obtain, using the constant multiple rule, is 9 times integral of e to the power of 3x plus 2 dx. So ax plus b equals 3x plus 2. And from here, we obtain a equals 3 and b equals 2. We substitute the value of a and b directly to the formula. So we'll obtain 9 times 1 over 3 e to the power of 3x plus 2 plus c. Simplifying this, will give 3 times e to the power of 3x plus 2 plus c. For part B, the integral of e to the power of negative 5 over 3 times x dx will be like this. Negative 5 over 3x plus 0 is actually in the form of ax plus b. So we'll use this formula. Ax plus b equals negative 5 over 3x plus 0. And here we have a equals negative 5 over 3 and b equals 0. And then substitute these values into the formula. We will obtain that the integral will be 1 over negative 5 over 3 times e to the power of negative 5 over 3x plus 0 plus c. Simplifying this will give negative 3 over 5 times e to the power of negative 5 over 3x plus c. Integration of 1 over ax plus b. The first derivative of ln x equals 1 over x, where x is larger than 0. The first derivative of ln ax plus b equals 1 over a times ax plus b, where a is not 0 and ax plus b is larger than 0. Now, using the integral definition, the integral of 1 over x dx equals ln x plus c, where x is larger than 0. And the integral of 1 over ax plus b dx equals 1 over a ln ax plus b plus c, where ax plus b is larger than 0 and a is not 0. See an example. Try 18. Find the integral of 3 minus x squared over x squared dx. And here is the solution. The integral of 3 minus x squared over x squared dx equals the integral of 9 minus 6x plus x squared over x squared dx. And then separate this fraction will be the integral of 9 over x squared minus 6x over x squared plus x squared over x squared dx. Simplifying this will give integral of 9x to the power of negative 2 minus 6 over x plus 1 dx equals 9 times integral of x to the power of negative 2 dx minus 6 times integral of 1 over x dx plus integral 1 dx. Evaluate the integral and don't forget that the integral of 1 over x dx equals ln x plus c. And that will be 9 times negative x minus 6 times ln x plus c. Simplifying this will be negative 9x minus 6 ln x plus c. Example try 19. Part A, express x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 in partial fraction. Part B, hence find the integral of x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 dx. And here is the solution. For part A, x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals x plus 2 over 2x minus 1 times 4x plus 3. We change the denominator to be linear factors. And then that will be x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals a over 2x minus 1 plus b over 4x plus 3 for some a and b. Now we are looking for a and b. Simplify the right hand side, it will be a times 4x plus 3 plus b times 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1 times 4x plus 3. Now since the denominator are equal, so just ignore it. So just focus at the numerator. So x plus 2 equals a times 4x plus 3 plus b times 2x minus 1. Let a times 4x plus 3 equal 0, and then we have x equals negative 3 over 4. So now when x equals negative 3 over 4, we substitute the value of x into the equation. So we obtain negative 3 over 4 plus 2 equals a times 4 times negative 3 over 4 plus 3 plus b times 2 times negative 3 over 4 minus 1. And simplifying this equation, we will have that 5 over 4 equals a times 0 plus b times negative 5 over 2. 5 over 4 equals 0 plus negative 5 over 2b. And from here, we obtain b equals negative 1 over 2. Using the same equation, let's say b times 2x minus 1 is 0. So we have x equals 1 over 2. When x equals 1 over 2, substitute the value of x into the equation. We have this following. And simplifying this will give 5 over 2 equals 5a plus 0. From here we have a equals 1 over 2. We are looking back to the equation and we substitute the value of a and b. So we substitute the value of a is 1 over 2 and b equals negative 1 over 2. The fraction x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 4x plus 3. And we will use this into the integral. For part b, since we have the partial fraction, we obtain that the integral of the x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 dx equals the integral of 1 over 2 times 1 over 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 4x plus 3 dx. And then using the constant multiple rule, we have 1 over 2 times the integral of 1 over 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 4x plus 3 dx. And using the formula of 1 over ax plus b dx, so we'll obtain this following. The integral will be 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 ln 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 4 ln 4x plus 3 plus c.
Stay at home, tetap semangat!